Welcome to Lesson 1 from Yoga, Tantra, Kundalini. First of all, I could say a million words to you, but none of them would mean anything to you. The only thing that really matters in terms of Yoga, Tantra, or Kundalini is your direct experience. So let's jump right in and give you that direct experience. I want you to sit very tall, spine very straight, try to align it. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, really fill your belly, and exhale. And this time when you take in your next breath, extend down, pressing the diaphragm down into the pelvic area, really opening up that lower abdominal region, that pelvic region, just with that inhalation. When you reach the top of your inhale, please exhale. And then I want you to continue. Anywhere that you feel a constriction in your breath, I want you to breathe into that. And if you're not sure what that is, please book a one-on-one with me, and I will watch you breathe over a Zoom call, and we can talk more about that at that time. But back to our direct experience. I want you to continue breathing. Now, as you breathe, I want you to aim for at least a 5-second inhale and a 5-second exhale. If your body wants to slowly get, a little deeper, a little slower, go ahead and do that. We're going to jump right in to some very grounding sounds while you breathe. You'll be breathing like this for 3 minutes. Just let yourself really settle in. If you have headphones, I strongly recommend headphones with this meditation. The sound you're hearing is a crystal singing bowl at the frequency of the root chakra. And we have 2 tuning forks. One earth star tuning fork, that's the chakra that's down below your feet, and your root chakra at the base of your body. The 4th instrument that you'll be hearing is a Nibiru gong. The gong itself, the frequency it produces with the sound you're hearing, is transformational. Keep your focus on the breath. Keep breathing. Now you're coming up on the last 30 seconds here. seconds. So, with your very next exhale, I want you to hold the breath out, squeeze the base of your body, pull your belly in, align your spine, and then inhale. Hold the inhale. Hold it, sip in more air if possible. You should be able to get a nice full breath here. And exhale. One more really big inhale. Fill up, fill up, fill up. Hold. Squeeze your body and exhale. Let it all go. Hold the breath out. And inhale. Fill all the way up, 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 up. Hold the breath in. Exhale. Allow your body to slowly come back to its normal rhythm of breath. And that was 3 minutes of long, deep breathing, followed by some breath and bandha work. A bandha is a little band in your body that you squeeze, and the squeezing puts pressure on certain parts of your body, and that causes certain effects, which you're feeling right now. Like I said, a million words, but what really matters is the direct experience. They talk about this Kundalini rising, but what the heck is that? You're gonna feel it. You're gonna find out what that is. Stick around, keep practicing. Please do the same practice for the next 3 days in a row, and then I'll see you again. Take care and be well.